Mortuary Attendant! Mortuary!
This is the man.
You people again? I thought I've settled you people. What else do you want from me?
My friend, where is my package?
Who is this one and what is he talking about?
Are you talking to my boss like that?
Thank God you said he's your boss, not mine. Okay? So you owe him the respect, not me. What are you people doing here?
I won't repeat myself again.
Biko, there is no ngongo na ngongo here. As you can see, this is a mortuary. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Bello!
Bosso?
Maybe this fool think we're here for a joke. You already know what to do. Maybe this man thinks we're here for a joke.
So you carry physical weapon, come spiritual fight. You're not serious.
You, go inside and bring out that bastard. Fast!
Please, who is the Medicare? Okay. Please, you can go in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Have you finished typing the document? Please do fast, do fast, do fast. It's okay. Gentleman, are you Mr. Medicare Willow?
Yes, sir.
Can I have your CV? Are you a graduate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, an engineering student.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Well, young man, the vacancy you see outside is not for people of your course. Moreover, the hospital have job for other courses, not your course.
Sir, you see, in this country now, there is no job.
Yeah.
And we must not practice what we read in school. Yes, so I can do anything. It's better than staying idle at home. So please, forget about what I read in school. I just need a new job.
Well, Mr. Menik, if you insist, we have vacancies for mortuary attendants.
Excuse me?
mortuary attendant, but we pay very well. You can still do it. You can still do it. We pay them very well.
Mortuary attendant?
Yes. Even we pay them more than medical doctors.
No problem, sir. I think I'm in the wrong office. I need a job to work in mortuary attendant.
Listen, young man, listen. This job I'm talking about now, young men are doing it, mortuary attendant, and they're making much money. They're making much money.
Omaka. But I cannot work as a mortuary attendant. Please. Okay, in fact, let me think about it.
No problem.
Can I go now?
Okay, no problem. Please call me the next person, Mr. Victor Ozo.
Alright.
Alright, thank you. Good day.
But I did. I just came back.
Okay. Please drop this for me,
Okay.
And get me water.
Okay, but I'm coming. You're welcome.
That's right.
Brother, how was the interview?
Waste of time. I've saved that transport money where you give me. You won't believe this. Mortuary attendant.
Brother, I don't understand. Is it that you didn't get the job? Or I don't understand.
Didn't you hear what I said? The job interview is for mortuary attendant.
Brother, I heard you. But my question is, was it successful? Yes.
Are you the one asking this question? Are you suggesting I take such a job?
Yes, brother. Mortuary attendant.
Mortuary attendant.
It's a very big opportunity you just left out there. Very big one at that. But I do remember that my friend Ugochi.
The one her brother stays abroad.
Exactly. He was a mortuary attendant and he made so much money from it. So much money. He built a house. He sent my friend to nursing school. He did a lot of things because of the money from that mortuary attendant.
Mortuary attendant where? Abroad or Nigeria?
But it's the same thing. Whether it's
answer
abroad,
my question. Mortuary attendant where?
abroad.
Abroad, Abi? Good.
Yes.
Mortuary attendant abroad is not same with mortuary attendant here. Oyibo people, once they die, they relax. Here, once they die, if you are not careful, they'll be slapping you while you are working as a mortuary attendant. So working as a mortuary attendant in Nigeria is different from working as a mortuary attendant abroad. Understand the difference?
Brother, the money. The money is very important.
Shut up and bring my food.
Brother, no, we need this money. We need to pay our rent. I thought 9 was past. Cha-cha can chan-chan-ma.
I said bring my food, Chinenye. You're talking too much.
But I didn't do anything. I haven't do anything yet. Unless you wait for me to come for what I'm
So why didn't you do?
Hey! Landlord was here. Landlord was here and he was very mad at me. He said I should warn you, give him last warning. That once he's back here, he will give him his money. Else, there will be trouble in paradise.
So why didn't you say these things?
Hey, but I wanted to know how your day was.
No, forget about my day. If the landlord comes, tell him I traveled out.
No, brother, wait. No, wait, let me parboil the yam first.
Forget about the yam. Forget about the yam.
Forget about the yam.
Tell the landlord how I come.
He's not coming back. No, he's not coming back now. When they will with empty stomach.
Please don't leave me to die in hunger. Help me to secure a job for myself.
So, I saw the landlord and his talks.
Brother, you are lucky. They are gone. But he left with serious warning. He said he's going to be back in a few hours' time. Just a few hours.
That means this place is not safe for me.
It's not.
Biko. At all.
Mommy,
Yes, any amount.
I'm coming.
I need to rush to the mortuary.
no problem, I'm coming.
Please hurry up. To avoid it, be like say they hear say I talk say they been say. Thank you very much. Don't forget, I'm out of town.
Be careful, oh.
No problem.
My son, precision is very important in this business. Each time you get to this door, you must knock 3 times before you open. Watch me. Yes, 3 times. You watch me. Why are you stepping back?
Papa, I'm just being careful. I don't know if the spirits are angry. To avoid attack.
It's not so. The spirits cannot harm me. I'm in total control of whatever is happening here. I'm in charge.
You have control over them. I don't. They can't harm you. You are familiar with them. But I'm a newcomer here. Okay.
Okay. And
Papa.
Yes, my son.
Papa, I have an emergency.
Yes.
I brought 2 accident victims.
Accident victims. Are they dead bodies?
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes.
Man, you can go and bring it there.
2 dead bodies now.
Yes.
Go and bring them.
Papa, I can't bring them like this now.
Why? Why? Are you not a man?
Look at the way I'm dressed. No hand gloves.
Okay. You made a lot of sense in what you just said. Okay, I will take care of that. Let's go.
What happens to me?
Just wait. Don't move an inch. Come.
Bello. Are you done with the oath?
Yes, boss.
Did you tell him about the rules?
Of course I did. He's fit for the movement.
What is your name?
My name is Jejina.
Bello. I'm sorry, sir. I thought you said he's ready, but he don't even know his passport name. Tell him his passport name!
Your name is Chima.
Well, my name is Jejina.
I said, your name is Chima. What did I say?
My name is Chima.
That's your passport name. Mugu. Get out of here!
My son Eminke, I'm showing you all these leaves. I want you to take me around and show me all these leaves and tell me what they do. Your purpose.
Papa, you want to know how intelligent I am, right?
Of course.
Watch me now.
Okay.
Papa, you said this leaf, anytime I'm done fixing any cups, I should cleanse myself with this leaf.
Correct.
That's what you said.
Good.
You said this one, if any cups is disturbing others while they are sleeping, I should use this one and calm the stubborn cups down.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes.
Then the other one, no need now, it won't be necessary because it will never happen. He said anytime I sleep with the cups or any spirit, I should cleanse myself after making love to that cups. But it will never happen. I will never make love to any cups. So that one is of no use.
My son, take proper notice of this. You can never know. You can never tell.
Okay.
Who is this now? You're not ordinary for no. Hey, we have a client.
Hello, Papa. Yes. Papa, I'm in your place.
Oh, no, but wait, we are coming. I'm just very close. Okay, yes, we are coming.
But I cannot see you. I can't see anybody here. Where? But I cannot see you. Okay, please, you have to come fast now, please. It's urgent. I want to see you.
Let's go. Wait for us. We are coming, please. Don't waste time. We are coming. Come. Hasten up, my son. Only time is like, you might have to come.
Okay, Papa. I'm waiting.
We are coming, please. Don't waste time. We are coming. Come. Hasten up, my son. Only time is like, you might have to come. Hasten up,
Welcome, sir.
Papa the Papa.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, Papa.
You are welcome. How can I help you?
Papa, I came to see you regarding my mother's corpse. I've been here for months. Like I told you last time I came, I'll be going back to Europe and I'll come back in 2 months' time. So I came to give you this. I don't know when I'll be coming back. So just like this.
My son, what for?
Haba. For taking care of my mother's corpse. It's not easy. Just have it.
No, thank you. It's not each time you come here you offer me money. It is my duty to take care of the corpse here. Please.
Okay, no problem. If you insist. This young man here is supposed to be your assistant, right?
It's not supposed to be. He is my assistant.
Yes, I'm the junior mocho.
Okay, I know he needs something. Let me just.
Gotaba, 4. Gotaba, 6, 7. Nah, 8.
Have this.
European burger.
And take care of yourself. Huh? Because it's not easy to walk here.
Okay, Makodim. Thank you very much. I really need this.
Okay, Papa.
Yes.
Going. Yes. Alright. See you later.
European burger.
Let's go. We have a lot of work to do.
Papa, let me buy a recharge card. My phone is out of card.
Fast. Snappy. There's a lot of work.
Alright.
Before I saw you move on, attack. Can't we better?
Alright. Wait! Okay, wait. Please don't be angry, eh? Papa said he's so sorry that you should give him that. He just remembered he had need, as in he need the money back though. You know, old man now. Yeah, so he just remembered that he has a lot of family problems. So he said he should give him the money.
Ah, okay. Take. Okay. Tell him to call me whenever he need me.
There's no problem. I know I'm an apprentice too, but I can have your number now. At least once in a while, I can also call you. Wait, let me open it. 070
37 66
66
2072.
2072. I'll call you once in a while. Thank you very much. Like I said, nobody will die in your family again in Jesus' name.
Done for me, he has done for me, he has done for me, he has done for me what my father cannot do. He has done what my mother cannot do. He has done for me. 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 He has done what my father cannot do. Hey!
Hey, brother.
Today is a blessing. My first day at work is a blessing. I made 100K.
Jesus.
100,000.
Brother, are you serious?
100,000 naira.
How manage? How come?
Bad break. Take this. Cook bitter leaf soup and then salad soup. And now hove.
Brother, wait, I can make soup from this one.
This is your pocket money. Use this one. Cook bitter leaf. Isi onugu. Isi ensala. Make sure no go there. And now hove. Yes, sir. This one is for one way. My beer money.
Hey, brother, I do not understand. Hey, do people now do buying and selling in your office? I mean, the mortuary office.
What is difficult to understand? That I made 100,000 naira first day at work. Must I explain everything? I made 100,000 naira. Simple. Enjoy now. You're asking too much questions.
Brother, but this money is too much. Just to make pot of soup, this one, even this one for myself is too much. You know, we will not pay our rent. You know how landlord can be. That man is a pain in the ass.
What do you take me for? A dummy? No, now. The moment I made 100,000, first and foremost, I went to the landlord and cleared our debt. I've paid our rent. I even dashed him money for beer. Hello.
Brother, you need to go and take your shower first. You are smelling curbs. I mean, it needs you zoo.
I'm smelling curbs.
Let me go.
Is it not cost money you're eating? Is it not cost money you're eating?
Jesus. Papa, what? Papa! I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wonders shall never end. Papa! Something. Papa! Papa! Mauna Papo. Monisi. Papa! Papa, no now. Papa, no. You promised to take me where they will fortify me more. You promised to show me more helps. Papa, you've not done all that. How can you die now, Papa? Anyways, like you always say, worry the money. Don't be angry. I will treat you the way you taught me. The way we used to treat people. So please, don't be angry. Don't be angry. I'm doing what you taught me. Because Papa, is this you? Papa, you of all people. Tomozi. Oh, when I'm wow. Dikeh. Mauna Papo. Igwigwi. Hey. Alone. Everybody must die. Oh, when I'm wow. My lovely sister. This meal is sumptuous.
Oh, thank you.
I need to advise you on this before I forget.
What is it, Baba?
Mind where you eat, oh. Mind where you eat. Something happened today.
What happened?
A woman came to buy the water I generated from betting corpses. I thought she was using it to fortify herself, but no. She's using it to cook for general public. She owns a restaurant. Alone.
But what was she using it for?
She is using it to cook.
Brother, how did you know?
Madam, money where you buy these cups water, you too small. Hey Paul, you know you need to bring cups water now.
Attendant. This thing not too special and I get special price. After all, now ordinary water now, no be just water. If I no buy am na still throw away, you go throw away am now. I be now.
Who told you say ordinary water? Water where you bath come out from cups, you say ordinary water.
If I no buy am, you go still throw away am. So you dey sell, abi you no dey sell. Those people they beg me to come carry this water. I beg.
No problem, bring money.
Don't worry now. Next time. Judith, wetin happen? Why you dey call me? I say no sell anything, no sell any food. Just follow my instruction. Do as I tell you, abeg. Even one plate no sell. If they're too hungry, make them go another place. Go. It's not be only me they sell food. Yes. You get what I want add when I come. Just do as I say.
Madam, it be like saying food you dey sell.
You dey new for this town. You never hear about the biggest Madame Bendel for this town. My restaurant now dey reign for everywhere. For abroad, they call order for my food. I'm no worry now.
Madame Bendel.
One.
Where dey near the office now? Where keke people they gotta eat? You get traffic, oh. You get pressure. I dey see that place.
Ozubono. Okay. No worry. There is no need mark on the sell my market for you. Any day where you dey hungry, just put me on call. Even if you no fit come, I go send. I get girls now. I'll send my girls.
No. Nah, Ukwa they like it. No, they get them.
You never hear Ukwa. That's my specialty now. Here him ne Ukwa go. I have girls. Or Kenkina like you be. Nka for white one with navy. How do you like it?
No problem. I will come. Just consider as in you have a new customer now.
I can't wait to have you. Thank you for this.
You never give me my money now.
Ewo, my brother. I'm in a hurry, like I told you. Are they on the mercy? So they wait for me.
Customers
my people.
are waiting.
My people, they wait for me there. Markets. I hear the market there everywhere. When you come, first I'll see you here and go shop. Shop one and come again.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you.
Wonders shall never be. So now whatever we bath come out from dead body, this woman they put for food where she they sell to general public. Hey. Omo legal. Omo. Ini legal no. Mreji wozu aka na njesi. Sure. No be only to come eat for your shop. Let's go set that place ablaze. Yeah? Why you dey go? No stress me or no be me kill you. What's up, you? Mind where you eat, people are mean.
But the wonder shall never cease. Oh my word.
Water where I use bath dead body, now this woman they use cook for me. And I know her shop. She get customers so. Give me food, give me 3 plates, give me what, put beans, put meat, put this one.
You know her shop?
Water where they use bath cups, now she they use cook. No, they eat outside.
You got potatoes, but you know I know how to cook. Hey, you could help us.
We're here now, no. We're here now. You shock me now.
Yeah, you think I'm trying to do.
That's what? Is today your birthday?
But why are you like this now? But why are you like this? Why are you like this?
It's my money.
But I know it's our money.
It's my money.
But it's our money.
say what?
His stomach is stopping me.
Oh, you for Gabu now. Don't you know what you're carrying? If you do you know how many kgs in your stomach? Do you know how many billions you're carrying? Just calm down. By the time you digest, you'll be fine. Huh?
Want to go to the toilet?
Toilet, what? Okay, you are not permitted to urinate or go to toilet or anything until you get to your destination. That's the rules. You understand? I understand, but be strong. Your flight is waiting. Let's go. Let's go. You see, girl, we go to Nogu.
My tongue is biting me. Oh. See, my tongue is biting me.
Hey, welcome. Just comport yourself. Comport yourself. Alright? This is not a child's play. You do not do anything until you get to your destination. You get the point now.
I feel like the shit. White things are coming out from his mouth.
Oh, that guy, just leave it.
It's true, boss.
Continue where you're going.
But it's true. What I'm saying is, maybe we should take him to the hospital. There's something they can give to him.
One shit!
I think so. I think so. Look at it.
It's alright.
It's fine.
Hey, it's okay. Just turn. Take him to that.
I think so. This boy will be fine.
Oga, please, who am I supposed to talk to concerning the young man who brought here?
Talk to me.
I'm sorry to inform you, but we lost him. And please, who will pay the hospital bill so you can take his body away?
Excuse you. What exactly do you mean when you say you've lost him? You mean he's dead?
Yes, and we are very sorry.
He's dead! Someone we brought here alive!
Please calm down.
Excuse you? Someone we brought here not quite long is dead! And all you could ask for is money! Is that how you people operate here?
No, sir, but this is just...
Excuse you! You're talking about money! How do... I'll get back to you.
Excuse me. Are you a nurse? You work here?
Yeah, okay,
Are you the one that picked my call?
Picked your call?
Yes, one of the nurses here picked my call.
Oh, it's my colleague.
Please, where is your colleague? I want to see the person.
Hold on, let me call her.
Okay.
Please hold on, talk. Nurse Ruth! Nurse Ruth! Please come. Yeah, this is the man that picked your call.
Oh, greetings, sir.
Greetings. Yeah. You're the one that picked my call.
Yes, I'm not Ruth, and yeah, Mr. Diane.
Oh, Mama, it's me. Where is my brother? Give him a little. Okay, it's fine.
It's fine, sir. Please come
okay.
with me.
Okay.
This is the reason we asked you to come. It's not something we can explain on the phone. And this young man was brought here by a group of young men. And they left when we told them we lost him. Though they said they were coming, but till now, we haven't heard anything from them.
Hey.
I'm very sorry, sir.
Is this a business? Chima, Is this the business you say you were going to do? And that you will even bring me money to add to my own business when you return from it? So, now it is dead. Hey! What am I going to tell my people? My only brother. Chimokisi, when my only brother. My only brother. Who am I going to call brother again? Chima, you didn't tell me you're going to die like this now. Oh, you didn't tell me. Your brother will... Hey! Please.
Hello, Kekos.
Boss wahala dey o. On our way to the airport, he started foaming. He was convulsing seriously. So we decided to take him to the hospital. We lost him.
So, where is his body?
We left him at the hospital to inform you first.
How long are you going to be in this business? To know the secret, to know the rules? Eh? Okay, fine. Or the man who don't die. That is also part of the business. And now, where is my package?
But we
Don't you know that when you have such emergency, that the first thing you do is to open his stomach? If boy have a bullshit. Do you know how many people that are involved in this business can talk about it? No, I'm asking you.
Let's go. I'm here. How much is the bill and where is the cops?
Sir, we waited and waited for you.
And what happened?
Sir, calm down. Someone called on his phone and said that he is his brother.
And what happened?
He took the cops away.
Eh? What? What do you talk for your break?
To where?
Sir,
Can you imagine?
Sir, he said he's taking the cops to the mortuary.
Yes.
I couldn't see him. Wait, is that how you people behave here? Someone I brought to this hospital some hours ago, coming back now, and you people are telling me that someone that didn't bring him here took him away, claiming to be the brother. He went and released Yosu.
Sir, he cleared the hospital bill and said that he's taking him to the mortuary now.
But I told you I was coming back.
You're coming back.
Now listen to me, both of you. If Rosuanwa, that corpse is more important and valuable than both of you and everyone working in this establishment.
Sir.
You get the point now. If I look for that corpse, you will go down, everyone here will go down.
Sir, but you know that you did not keep any vital information on how to communicate to you.
But I said I was coming back.
There's nobody to that too.
I will deal with. Let me look for. Take me out of this place. You see both of you?
Sir, it's not our
Take it easy.
Sir.
Take it easy.
Please, I don't want to hear that.
Sir, please, you can call the brother.
How is this now?
Mortuary attendant! Mortuary attendant! Mortuary attendant!
Mortuary attendant!
Why are you shouting my name?
I came with my dead brother to deposit your mortuary. He's in my car.
And so? You came with your dead brother. I can feel it.
Are you not the mortuary attendant?
Go and bring him now. Or you want me to help you bring down his corpse?
Yes, now.
Am I the person that killed him?
Yeah.
If you want me to help you bring down your brother's corpse, you will pay 10,000 naira. Don't you have relatives? Don't you have friends? Don't you have siblings?
Please, this is a matter of emergency. I don't have any of them right here. Neither were they there when it happened. Please, would the 10,000 naira take care of everything?
You are stingy and annoying. Let's say no sabi talk. Don't make noise here. Some cops are angry. If you want me to help you bring your brother's corpse down, 10,000 naira. If you are not ready, mind your business.
Attendant, this is a matter of emergency, please. None of them is here now.
Emergency to you, not to me.
Okay, come now, come. Attendant! Where has he gone now? Attendant!
How did it go? Where is my package? I don't want stories.
Something came up. On getting to the hospital, the nurse said that the brother to the deceased came and claimed him. As a matter of fact, he took him to an unknown mortuary.
What? The person carrying the package, I did not see. My money, I did not see. Let me ask you. So you did not ask yourself how the nurse got in contact of the brother to the person that is carrying my package? You did not ask yourself. Let it not be what I'm thinking, that one of you is an informant. You know me very well. You know I don't joke with my business, and I can do anything to make my business to be successful. Get me my package!
You're done, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Please, I want you to take good care of my brother's body. I don't want any form of decay or unnecessary odor when I will come for his body, okay?
In fact, I want you to know that I will take care of your brother's corpse.
Okay.
But what you paid is for 1 week. After 1 week, if you don't come and pay more money, I swear I will drop his corpse outside here. And me and me wouldn't work here for you to me.
Don't worry, I will keep to my promise. The most important thing is I have to be at the village now to inform the villagers. I was even almost going before you came out. I need to tell the kinsman before his burial. That is very important. You understand? Excuse me. Hello, please, the owner of this phone is busy. Can you call me later? Just call me later, please. So, just like I said, I will keep to my promise. You hear? It's very important. Hello? Why are you disturbing my line? I said the owner of this phone is busy, for crying out loud. Okay. Please, who are you to him? Okay, I'm his brother. I'm currently at the mortuary now. Okay. Let me ask the mortuary attendant. Please, where is this place?
St. Luke's Digital Mortuary.
Yes, St. Luke's Digital Mortuary and Maternity.
Who remove maternity? You see anybody born here?
Okay.
St. Luke's Digital Mortuary. Simple.
Heard him. St. Luke's Digital Mortuary. Right. Where is he at? Like,
everybody know here now. The only digital mortuary around.
Okay. You heard what he said. He said the only digital mortuary by along this express road.
Everywhere digital mortuary.
Okay. St. Luke Hospital by Fox Road.
Yes.
Adjacent fuel station. Okay.
All right, thank you, please. I'm busy now. Anyways, no problem. Let me rush because I'm almost late.
After 1 week, if you don't bring money, I'll throw your brother's cup outside here.
Please don't do it, my brother.
You know they work here. You know it's the work here. No sense. How may I help you?
We are the people that called your client some moments ago about a corpse that was deposited in your mortuary by name Chim.
Sorry, Oga, we don't name corpse here. Yes, if I take you in there now, you'll be confused. So we tag them and give them number. There's nothing like Chim or names here. Meanwhile, I'm very, very hungry. I've been working since. Let me go and eat first.
Ke ndị a na-achọ melu ha now. Eh? Yeah, hello. Okay, I've been waiting for you for over 30 minutes now that we spoke. I am very close to my shop now. I can't wait again for you. How long do you want me to wait for you? Eh? Why are you disturbing me like this? This person, is he your brother or my own brother? You are calling as if it's not your own brother. What is going on? Is there anything that you're not telling me, Oga? The way you are harassing me with calls is becoming frightening. Eh? I cannot wait for you there forever, my brother. Listen, I am going back. I have customers waiting for me at my shop. I need to go and face my business. Now. Okay, if you want to come to my shop is at C28, building material, international market line there. Just if you be there, here from join here says C28. Oh, you know him kuru. Ungwa rap on biko. I know I'm in the mood now, Oga. How pass me ife na eme na na akọ ihe ndị a no eh? Okozu nwanne m ka na akọkwa na ihe a. I'm not even happy. This man is just harassing me with calls up and down. Here. Attendant! Attendant!
Stop knocking there, my friend. Why are you knocking there? Stop! What are you doing? No. You're not supposed to knock there. Stop. Don't provoke forces you can't control.
Sorry, yeah?
Now shop right with that. How do you... Please don't try that again.
I was the one that brought my brother here to deposit. It's not even up to 2 hours ago.
So you expect me to recognize you? Oga, people die every now and then. They bring in cops here every minute. So we use tag and number. I don't recognize people. Where is your tag?
Okay. Yes. Look at this.
Okay, number 6.
Yes, sir.
That young man they brought.
Hey, my brother.
I'm done with it though. It's ready. Do you want to carry it?
At all. This man here said they wants to see his body. Oga, this is the mortuary and this is the Oga in charge.
Everyone can see his body. Are you people carrying the cups or not? Where is it?
Follow you.
Follow me to where?
Since I was born, I've not been there before.
Oh yeah, I'm okay.
I'm Rob, I don't know what to do with him.
Hey, can't you bring him outside?
Bring who outside? As again, Onye Buruna, Eburuje Buruna. Okay, this is a mortuary. Any corpse that comes out here, male or female, is living straight. You don't bring out corpse and take it.
In that case, bring him out. We are going with him.
Okay, bring what? My brother's body can't be here.
Shut. Now go and bring him out.
Bello. Buabon come out for open his stomach and bring out my package. If you lolo they die for street.
This stomach has been operated on.
And who is this? Are you the mortuary attendant?
Okay, this is my brother. This is my brother.
Where is the mortuary attendant? Where is he?
We left him there.
Bello, you are always loose garden. Mobile need slow down. What did they happen? Now mobile not come no. Get for them now, boy. Listen to me. I need you to go to the mortuary and get me the mortuary attendant. Get him for me here. In fact, if you get there, anything you see, bring that person here. Anybody, just bundle it. I need you to get me the mortuary attendant and get this monkey out from here. You come out for street, you go die. Get me the mortuary. I said, get me the mortuary attendant, my friend. Are you? Walk out! Stop! Walk out! Get out! Are you supposed to be here?
My brother's body.
Get me the mortuary attendant!
My brother's body now. Yeah! My brother's body.
The mortuary attendant! Get me the mortuary attendant! Legon Kim. Egon them mado. People's money. They got them money, can't let them voice note. No, I don't want to listen to any voice note. All I want is the... Hi, my business partners. No, Tum. Hello? Listen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. But please calm down. Yes. You know that my stops are involved too. Yes, I have my package in there. Of course I have a clean record. We they deliver normally now. You supposed to know now. Just calm down. You move okay. Hold on now. No, I go deliver. Don't worry. They should just get me the mortuary attendant so I can deliver. And I come storing in my own package.
Don't get to walk. He don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant,
Brother? Wake up.
I love you, sister. How are you?
I'm fine, brother.
Thanks for calling me back. I've done fine.
But see, I brought food, banana and granite for you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey. Food, granite and banana. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm not that hungry, so I will start with the banana and granite. Then later I will eat the food.
You have to start from the food first. Meanwhile, brother, you seem tired. Are you okay?
Yes, I just finished dressing a few cups. So I'm tired. How are you now? Hope you're good.
I'm fine, brother. I'm fine.
Oh. Are you sure you bought banana?
Yes, I did. I bought it from my mom.
I'm sure you bought banana.
Brother? The banana and granite, I put it inside here. This is where they put the banana. And the granite is not beside it.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
He knows the work well.
Yes. Brother? What happened?
There is a stubborn corpse in there. A hungry corpse. He's the one that took the banana.
Corpse?
He has even eaten half.
Corpse ate some of the banana? Jesus!
What is it, man? He just took the banana. He ate some. I'm eating the rest. Why are you rejecting?
You want me to come and sit down and eat this banana with you? But I can't try it.
I just told you it's nothing serious. I have a very stubborn corpse there. Hunger, they always catch up. I ain't carry the banana to eat. If I come in, don't look like 4.
Jesus! Brother, I will not be the one to share the same food with the corpse. I can't try it. Eh? How can human being and corpse be eating the same food? It's not possible. Brother, Mama, wait, I'm going home. When you are done, I will come back and collect the food flags.
No more walker about, no more pocketless. He don't find in destiny, Demenike. He dey communicate with spirit, yeah. Yeah, no more, no matter the number. He's 45. Don't try him.
Yeah. What's your problem now? Cynthia, what's your problem now? Why are you disturbing me here? Am I the person that killed you? Others are sleeping. Why have you refused to rest? Was you traumatized every now and then? I was hearing your voice from outside. Am I the person that killed you? Were you an ashawo before? Even if you were a prostitute, madam, you are now dead. Rest! Rest! Else I will beat the hell out of you here. Stop provoking me. Why can't you rest? Every now and then you are awake. Ogini?
Please, I have one favor to ask of you.
What is it?
I have an unfinished mission. Please, just allow me to go to the ward to finish it.
What is it?
You don't need to know about it. Just allow me to go to the ward to accomplish it, please.
Madam, that will cost you money. I don't care about what you are going to do. I don't care about what you are going to accomplish. This is my field. If you want to leave this place, you must give me good money. That is the only way I will let you out of this place. Else,
I am going to give you everything that I will make while in the ward. Just allow me to accomplish this mission, please. I won't be able to go because there is a thing you placed on that door.
Don't joke with me, oh. If I let you leave this place and you not return in peace, I swear I will invoke your spirit back. And when you get here, I will beat the hell out of you before we walk the chain.
Just 1 month, I will be back.
For what now? Listen. I will give you 1 week on one condition. You promise to give me good money, all the money you will make or make or make. But you promised me good money, Abi. I will give you 1 week. 1 week. 1 week and you don't return here in peace. I swear I will book you from wherever you are. And when you get here, I will flog you mercilessly. Don't joke with me. Agreed?
Thank you very much.
Agreed, Cynthia?
Agreed. Thank you.
Come. That's why you go out.
Don't get to walk, he don't see in destiny.
Sorry for keeping you here. How may I help you? It's okay.
We decided to come and see how she's doing. Because due to some circumstances, it will be better a little bit closer.
Oh.
I want to see how she's doing.
Oh, one name. You should have told me the moment you came. Yes. That time I asked 2 people to wait. I went in there and applied chemical on them. And that chemical is not good for your health. So you can't even go there. Next time before coming, just call me so that I won't put any chemical on them.
Her spirit has been disturbing us. Even her siblings, they no longer sleep at night. So that was why we decided to come and see how she's faring.
She has been disturbing her siblings.
A lot.
No. As for Imano, don't worry. Moa. Digital much. Wow, I can't do. So she's fine and comfortable. And yes, so she's fine. Just that you can't see her now because of the chemical. Oh? Maybe some other time. Disturbing quoi?
No, they don't like ya. No,
Cynthia, why are you disturbing everybody? Very stubborn girl. Are you not supposed to be back by now? To crown it all, she's holding my money.
Mortuary attendant, we get swag,
Customer, come, better day. Fresh. This one a fresh consignment we just landed. And the babe fine. Bring better money. Bring better money. Hurry up. After 2 hours, you no go be fresh again. I say see, fresh. And the babe fine. Just carry better money come. Hurry up before you come out for fresh. Bye.
Don't get to work, he don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant, mortuary attendant, he don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant, mortuary attendant, he knows the work very well. Mortuary attendant,
Customer.
Customer. VIP customer. VVIP customer.
My boy.
If we. Ezimo yo.
Oh, you need to help.
Yeah, welcome, sir. Thank you. This babe na fresh. He never tell where they bring her. So I beg, enjoy, but give me the
I trust you have something for me. Something good.
Oga, this girl is fresh. She died 25 minutes ago. Sweet girl. As a matter of fact, her father is rich. So imagine her body.
I always trust you have something good for me.
This is awesome.
Boy.
This is it. I hope my money is complete.
Oh, your boy.
With Jara.
What you have in here is more than what I used to pay you. Trust me.
Ikwi.
Oh, your boy.
Ikwi. Don't worry. Akpan.
Oga.
Come here.
Oga.
Take Ikwi to that fresh cups. The one they just brought now, the girl.
That new one where they just been.
Yes.
Oh, your boy.
Akpan, knock.
mortuary attendant, he don't see in destiny, mortuary attendant, mortuary.
Akwan, listen. Everything Papa taught me before he died, I've transferred onto you. In life, when you are hardworking, obedient, and focused, you will make it. Education is not even everything. So what am I trying to say? Be useful to yourself here. You see the way I started. Now I'm going to establish something bigger. So if you do well and focus on this business, you will grow and also hand over to someone and go and establish something bigger. What am I trying to say? Be useful to yourself. Do you understand?
Okay, Oga.
Don't forget all I taught you.
Okay, Oga. I no go forget everything you don't teach me. I go be useful to myself.
Go to that bush, eh? Get me an unebe leaf.
Sir?
An unebe leaf. Go and get it for me. Let me be sure you know what you're doing.
An unebe leaf.
An unebe. Get it for me, Lugade Benaja.
What a destiny, what a job, if
Boss, I think we've given that guy enough time. It's time we go and pick him up.
Bello, since I know you, this is the first time you're making a point. Hey, Mala. Hey, Katako Wano. Don't always lose guard. Go and get the boys ready. Let's go and pick it.
Don't get to work, he don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant,
Which kind plenty problem with this one? Eh? Akpan, which kind problem you enter? Which of this leave now? The green leaf, wey my oga want. Because every leaf wey dey here na green color. If I say make I go ask am now, Akpan, no. You no get sense. How you go dey reason that kind of thing? You wan go ask your oga, say which of the leaf, the green leaf wey dey find. You go talk say everything wey dey teach you now, your head no carry am. That means you be dummy. Wetin dey baffle me pass now? This my oga, every spirit wey dey here, they dey fear am. Even the good spirit and the bad spirit, they dey fear am. A very strong man, oh. Hey, how you take dey? No, comport yourself. Hey, you like I don't see the leaf.
He don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant 45. Don't try him. Okay, make him nanya. Okalamad, okalamo.
Ewa. Okalamadu. Okalamo. Ewa.
The fight is spiritual.
Okalamadu.
Mortuary! Attendant! Mortuary!
This is the man.
You people again? I thought I've settled you people. What else do you want from me?
My friend, where is my package?
Who is this one and what is he talking about?
Are you talking to my boss like that?
Thank God you said he's your boss, not mine. Okay? So you owe him the respect, not me. What are you people doing here?
I want to repeat myself again. Kedebe ngwongwo na ngwongwo mde.
Biko, there is no ngwongwo na ngwongwo here. As you can see, this is a mortuary. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Bello!
Bosso?
Maybe this fool think we're here for a joke. You already know what to do. Maybe this man thinks we're here for a joke.
So you carry physical weapon, come spiritual fight. You're not serious.
You, boss, go inside and bring out that bastard. Fast!
The fight is spiritual.
Bello, I need you to get me every information about that bastard. Bello.
Boss.
Do not lose guard.
Yes, boss.
Menige, you have deviated from what I taught you. Soul human parts. You allow them to make love with the spirit. Menige, is that the sword you say you are going to bring into the business? Oh, I am disappointed. They will look after you and they will come after you. I am disappointed.
is always a punishment for any evil, whether now or after. You may fight and defeat mortal, you cannot defeat spirit.
We are looking for
Yeah! Mo! Hey! Yeah!
There is always a punishment for any evil, whether now or after. You may fight and defeat mortal, you cannot defeat spirit.
We are back. And we've gotten every necessary information about him. His name is Emenike. He lives at Omo Crescent with his sister. But we have somebody in the booth.
And who is that in the booth?
One of his workers at the mortuary.
Bello, you always lose guard. You always mess up. You can never do a clean job. What am I supposed to do with that bad market? Njapia, you left the sister in up for 1 day one. Open down the cable to Alabama. My finger release that bastard and get me a better thing. I said get me a better thing, Bello.
Don't start what you cannot finish. You a male mortal of women. Namba chisu nenua emesia a guarantee. Abuna milebu.
Where is he? Where is he?
Left him here.
I said, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Good for nothing boys. Useless boys. Go on the other side now.
Good afternoon, sir.
I saw your brother's ghost. He's walking the way to the village street.
Hey! My brother's ghost! Okay, dear. My brother was a very peaceful man before he died. Why has he suddenly decided to be tormenting the life of people in this community? Oh, there must be something we can do. Let me go to Ndugwe.
What nonsense? What? Where do you think you're going to? Give it to Nina, eh? Where do you think say they go? You enter my site with me where you don't lose guard. I ask you. I sent you a small, just a little mission. If ever I don't lose guard, yeah? If you don't like me, I don't lose guard. I sent you a message to go and get me my stuff. Get up to a bungongo and gongo. Me tell me I come story. I don't like stories. I don't like excuses. Tell me it's possible. Tell me that the mission is successful and you're here telling me rubbish. I don't take excuses.
Boss, we are sorry, but we tried our
best. Ede, don't lose guard.
We try our best, boss.
Shut up, my friend. Are you mad? I don't like excuses.
I'm sorry, boss.
Oh, you want me to tamper justice with Messi, right? Mba, dili ya had the law. Oh, you lose guard, that's silly here. You lose guard, go Ede, and you will go down for it.
Sorry, boss. I'm sorry, boss.
My friend, shut up and take care of this nonsense. I hate men that lose guard. I hate excuses. Make it possible. That is what I want. Tell me it worked.
Ede! My man! Check!
Don't get to walk, he don't see in destiny.
Yeah, but there's another package that comes with chariots, miners, with the horse. Another package of 15 million. But if you want with an escorter, dancers, drummers, that's another 20 million. A 10 million budget, if you help me to know what I'm doing.
We're looking at 15 million.
15 million.
What a job, defending Nelly Candina, sir. Manebonye na luko serio, ebeni keli bego. Na imwaku, na imjabu, mortuary attendant, na imwaku. He don't see in destiny, mortuary attendant, na imwaku, na imjabu. Mortuary attendant, na him walk. He knows the walk, well. Mortuary attendant, na him walk, na him job. Mortuary attendant, na him walk. Mortuary attendant, we get his swag, na him walk, na him job. Mortuary attendant, na him walk.
Adame, get his invoice ready. He's going for the 100 million naira package. The one that comes with helicopter, horse, and chariot.
Okay, Baba. I'll do that immediately.
See,
Coming right away, sir.
Hello? I need 2 cups of tea immediately. Okay. I'm waiting.
Sir, do you realize you're disturbing me? I am cleaning up cups inside there and you're disturbing me. You say my Oga used to give you fresh cups. I don't have any fresh cup in there.
Look, as it stands now, there is no need looking for fresh cups. Yes, a skeleton will do, so long as a female skeleton. Do you have a skeleton?
I like your desperation. I like your desperation. Sir, if you can pay heavily for it, I will do it for you.
You talk too much. Look, in less than 30 minutes, I am going to be a dead man. Do you understand what that means? I am going to be a dead man, young man.
Do you think you're alive? You're dead, sleeping with dead corpse. And you're telling me okay, you're doing wasting your own time. You have not given me money and you're telling me you want me to do this. You want me to have it.
Have it. No, take it. What? Let's go. Can we go now?
Okay, take your money back. I'm talking about good amount of money. I'll give me this nonsense. And
Okay. You take my car keys. Just go to the trunk. There is a Ghana must go in that trunk. Take as much money as you want. But just allow me to go and do this thing now. Look, there's no time for me.
Money. Symbol of authority.
Man, you're still talking.
Go in there. Go in there. There are so many beautiful
I don't have time
cups.
for this.
Knock, oh. Make sure you knock. Knock. Hey!
It's 45. Don't try it. Okay, make it for man.
Where do you think you are going to? I've come from. I ask you again. Where is my package?
A golfo. Yourself.
I can see you are a stubborn fly. But stubborn flies usually follow the corpse to the grave. You can run, but you cannot hide. I'll still get you.
Are you okay?
What is going on? Why is that man with gun trying to kill you? Now talk to me. Brother, are you into any dirty business? I am your sister. You can confide in me, brother, please. What is going on?
Shut up and mind your business. Commitment to too long. If I lose it, that back at you cannot.
Uncle, I saw my dad in a dream last night, and he only emphasized on his parts, saying that he will never rest in peace until his parts are complete. I'm so terrified.
What a tax. Go there. Where would one go looking for parts of a dead man?
But Uncle, he made mention of something.
What?
He talked about the mortuary attendant. So I suggest you go with Mazi Okafor and interrogate that mortuary attendant. Maybe he may know something about it.
There is sense in that. No problem. That's why I always say that you are a very intelligent girl. Just like your father.
Thank you.
But you need to be strong now. Be very strong. Don't be afraid. I know that your father cannot hurt you. There must be something we can do.
Uncle, please, you have to.
He just came to pass message and he has done that. And we will get to the bottom.
Okay.
We must. Really.
It's okay, Uncle. I don't know. Are you hungry or something?
No, don't go now. I can't. I'm okay. I'm just okay.
Are you sure?
I'm just okay. The whole thing is...
It's okay. I'll be inside.
It's where. I'm around. What do we do anything like this?
What else, sir?
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Please, we are looking for the mortuary attendant.
Mortuary attendant?
Yeah.
Oga, on a carry corpse.
Calm down. We will tell you. But we are not the one we are looking for. We are looking for the dark one. An average in height.
Hey, my Oga. Oga Eminike. Okay.
Where is he?
My Oga. He don't open big branch for inside town.
We take us which side of the town?
Oga, I won't take no.
You should know. How can we communicate with him?
Thank you, sir. You're learned. That's the question you should ask. It seems like I have his number.
Oh, please give us.
080
Yes.
33
33
33
33
33.
All about 33. Oh, sorry. 33.
Let me keep the
No, don't, please give us
27.
27.
Now my Oga number be that. Oga Eminike.
Is he ready?
Yes, it's ringing. It's good. Thank you.
Sir, not too fast now. Where are they go?
We are going, of course.
Oga, anything for the boys. We will be back.
Yes. Alright. Make this milk. People are waiting for you, okay?
Okay. Do you still remember us?
How am I supposed to remember you? Anyway,
we brought cops to you when you are still working with St. Luke Hospital.
Okay, when I was working with St. Luke's, we people brought cops.
Yeah.
Okay, customers, what happened? I hope all is well.
There's a problem. That's why we are here. MNK, there is a problem. Our brother was a very peaceful person when we brought him to you. Yes. In that mortuary. He was calm. After we buried him, eventually he started disturbing. Then as we were searching, dreading to know why he was disturbing, we were told that some part of his body were removed in that mortuary.
Yes.
And we have come to ask you, what do you know about that?
As far as I'm concerned, you are sounding stupid.
What did you just say?
You heard me loud and clear. You're sounding stupid. Normally, when you bring corpse to mortuary, we remove some parts to avoid decaying.
You don't know what you are talking about.
I must put it to you. Because it's disturbing everywhere. Nobody has space life. We continue running here and there to put things together. And you are here telling us all these things. You know what you did. I didn't want to see where back and uncle. Tell us the truth. One more thing. If I were you, I would summon myself a meeting. Because had I known, comes at last. It's a brother to Mr. Last. Yes. I got through again. Don't say we didn't tell you.
Get out of my office.
Do you know what you're saying? Let me advise you. Well,
yes.
Out.
Off, get off.
You mean we should get
Yes, you can't talk to my brother. Please.
It's here.
This way.
It's here. Let's go.
This
Okay, forget.
This way.
We shall see.
Out.
Out.
Check.
Let's go.
What nonsense. The brothers believe and the says on that we're missing. And so fucking what?
Don't get to work, he don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant, mortuary attendant, he don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant, mortuary attendant, he knows the work well. Mortuary attendant,
here is the package.
mortuary
Where is the island? It's not complete.
Okay. How do you expect me to cut off the eyelid? The owners of the corpse will find out that that part was cut off, which is not good for me. And when they start asking questions from that eyelid, they will find out that some other parts are missing. So please, manage what you have. I cannot cut off that part.
But this will not work for me. The person that introduced me to you said they are professional.
Oga, professional or no professional, I cannot cut off the eyelid. If I do that, we all will land in problem. The others of the cops will know now that that part was cut off. So understand me, I cannot cut off that part. Manage what you have.
Manage. Okay. Since the parts are not complete, I think I'm not going to pay you I think we said 800. I'll pay you 500.
I won't. I won't. If you won't pay 800 as we agreed, give me back my package.
Maybe first. Are you taking the money or not?
So because of the eyelid now, you want to reduce my 300,000 now? I'm not selling.
Okay.
Mortuary attendant.
Come on, give me that money. Just give me. Give me.
Your account number, please.
007. Diamond access.
Wait.
007 54 111 829.
Access.
Yes. Bonefego. If I get a little go, the things you want to use these things for will work well spiritually, and you're reducing my money physically. Stingy customer. Thanks for banking with us.
Could this be true? But even if it is true, how is that my business? Is that why he should not rest in peace? Is he the only one that will remove something from his body? Why must he be a stingy and wicked corpse or spirit? I don't know. Why are you disturbing everybody? Can't you rest in peace? If you are that strong, why did you die? But come on, even a mercy. Or we need for the Abam. Than Dala. But the family members in Dala. But the corpse on your Allah. But the spirit that is disturbing on your Allah. Dala, Dala.
Mortuary attendant came to complain to me concerning the same man. The same curb that used to throw away other curbs.
That same curbs?
Yes.
That's been disturbing everybody?
Yes, brother. The stubborn one.
What's the meaning of that nonsense? Are you doing?
I don't know,
I
don't know. You know, he used to scatter the corpse, but this time around he packed all of them on one side.
What?
He packed all of them on one side, brother.
Are you telling me that corpse threw every other corpse outside?
Not even one that is remaining, every one of them is outside because of it.
What sort of stupid corpse is that?
I don't know.
Why is he stressing us? Omugule, get me his people's number. Get me his people's number, they should go and take that idiot out of this place.
Okay, I'm coming right away.
What nonsense? How can one corpse be throwing every other corpse outside? Get me his people's number. Enough of that nonsense.
Dikeh now. Okay, be fast, my waist though. Julius. So after all this, Julius Madam, all of you from
Also, he said you should remove this school paper.
Hey! Hey! Problem.
You cannot carry your trouble. This corpse has been disturbing us in this mortuary.
Oh,
ihe ọ ga-abụ na Julius bụ onye nsogbu mana Dikeh bụ.
Unu nwe lọ.
Agwụ Dikeh bụ.
Hey, please, 1 minute. Let me give you one special thing. Come on. You don't expect less from Julius. He has been a trouble to some person for one. So I don't expect less.
He said that he's giving them trouble. I don't expect less from you. Mana Dikeh na. Dikeh na lo.
Sir, you know, in this world now, you know anything can happen now. In case of anything, we're doing promo. This is a flyer, our bonanza flyer. 6 months promo. Leave it like it's not money. People should not drag for it. 6 months promo. That means if you deposit 3 to 4 bodies, we'll give you one for free.
But one get it for free, man.
One dead body.
Check. Oh yeah, we were. That's not the way.
May thunder fire you and your generation, even to the 3rd generation to come. Are you stupid? Can you imagine this idiot? Huh? It is your village people that we put in the mortuary free of charge. Or they do bonanza for dead body.
So is there anything
wrong? Will you shut that till you come out? Are you mad? Oh, zoom on the UK for free bonanza, idiot. Because I say about bro. Hey, okay, Jesus is well.
Sir, the day you will die, every human will die, and one day they will visit mortuary. The day you will die, the same way you rejected my bonanza flyer, the same way I will reject you.
You are a dead body already. Nah, because you are when I had that dead. You said you know you reject my concept.
I will reject your.
I will not die.
You will soon die, yo.
You will soon that we fire you.
Your clavicle, stroke will kill you. It is stroke that will kill you at your old age. Look at you, dead man. Dead man walking. You see, they are blowing. They are very sorry for your. This is sorry for your death.
Don't get to walk, he don't see in destiny.
Your guy, listen real good. You have 24 hours to come and take your glass cups out of the mortuary. Are you listening to me? What sort of human being is he? He is throwing other corpses out of the mortuary. Why? He's not even nice at all. Every now and then he's causing trouble here. Listen, I'm giving you 24 hours to come and take these cups out of my mortuary. Else, I will throw it out. I will throw it out. Not half Allah. How can he be throwing other corpses outside? What a stubborn corpse. Come and take him out. Else, I'll throw him out.
Mortuary attendant.
People used to say that Oblo na Ikwamaro, Ibezi. Are you getting me? Do you think that is the only cups that Oga used to wash that made him to acquire all this wealth? No. Why do you think that I'm always here? You see me always here. Why? That is the question you ask yourself.
Oga, I'm still surprised how my boss made so much money to the point of him buying a coffin house and a mortuary.
Small boy. Well, I don't know if I make it more. Do you understand me? Besides, those parts of the body you see, when they get to 6 feet, they get decay. So why don't you make use of the opportunity given to you? Are you getting me? Make use of the opportunity you have.
Why don't I make use of the opportunity?
Let's call this now. Come. Call the mortuary attendant immediately. Call him. Let us know what is happening. This is very, very wrong. You should be servicing your vehicle. I am carrying a corpse and you are stopping me on the road.
Who's calling? Sir, let me pick this call. Hello?
Hello? Yes.
Yes, sir. It's me, Akpan, the mortuary attendant. Sorry, sir. Are you not the same person that told me, Akman, that I'm stupid?
Sorry, I am sorry. In any way I have offended you. If there is anything that I said that offended you, sorry.
Are you not the same man that rejected my flyer that I gave to you? That said you don't need it. Uba, ini dizele mabi? Ini dizele mina akpom. Oga Zukwanike. Zukwanike, carry your cross by yourself. Don't call me again, oh.
Hello. Call him again. Call him. That boy is too troublesome.
Easy. Take it easy. That is why Oga did not engage himself in all this kind of mess. That is why Oga engaged himself in other things like selling of these parts, you know. Sometimes he like to run away from all these kind of things.
Let me pick this call.
Please, help us. No, we have not even gone anywhere. We are still on the highway. That place where we have plenty signboard. Big houses. It's open the motors.
Okay. If I will come there, sir, you will pay me 20k. Eh? What is too much? Sir, I told you that your brother is stubborn and is disturbing here. Oga, do you agree or not? I am a busy man.
Yes. We will pay. We will pay. Yes, we will pay.
Okay, sir. I'll be there. All right.
Very good. Mana Julius,
sorry for the call, sir. Please let me go and get this money. You know this money is very, very important. Let me get it. Can you go and come back in an hour time?
No problem. I would rather stay and wait for you.
You wait?
I will wait.
Okay, if you wait, let me go inside and get myself ready to go.
Okay. I'm waiting. Be fast about it.
He's here. What is the problem here?
He stopped.
It's meant to stop now. What is the money I asked? After insulting me.
I'm sorry.
You don't want to die.
Sorry.
Thank you. Nice doing business with you. Nice doing business with you. Julius, I know you're a very stubborn and disturbing tenant in my mortuary. Your people here did not kill you. Neither did I kill you. You must get home in peace. Julius, you must get to your home peacefully. Driver, start it. Hey! Hey! Okay. Can I go in peace? Thank you so much. But I will not die. What's my business? Hey!
Mortuary attendant, mortuary attendant, he don't see in destiny. Mortuary attendant, mortuary attendant, he knows the work well. Mortuary attendant,
here is the package.
Where is the eyelid? Where is the eyelid? It's not complete.
Okay. How do you expect me to cut off the eyelid? The owners of the corpse will find out that that part was cut off, which is not good for me. And when they start asking questions from that eyelid, they will find out that some other parts are missing. So please, manage what you have. I cannot cut off that part.
But this will not work for me. The person that introduced me to you said they are professional.
Oga, professional or no professional, I cannot cut off the eyelid. If I do that, we all will land in problem. The owners of the corpse will know now that that part was cut off. So understand me, I cannot cut off that part. Manage what you have.
Manage. Okay. Since the parts are not complete, I think I'm not going to pay you I think we said 800. I'll pay you 500.
I won't. I won't. If you won't pay 800 as we agreed, give me back my package.
Maybe first. Are you taking the money or not?
So because of the eyelid now, you want to reduce my 300,000 now? I'm not selling.
Okay.
Come on, give me that money. Just give me. Give me.
The account number, please.
007. Diamond Access.
Wait.
007 54 111 829.
Access.
Yes. Bonefego. If I get a look the things you want to use these things for will work well spiritually, and you are reducing my money physically. Stingy customer. Thanks for banking with us.
Oga? Oga, are you still here? Oga!
Are you back? How about your journey?
Sorry, sir, I kept you waiting. You know money is very, very important in this period. Sir, my people used to say, a bed at hand is...
No. You don't need to apologize. I know this game. You're not making money. You're welcome. My only concern is for you to say yes. Once you say yes, business has started already.
Sir, I don't know who wouldn't say yes to the money you're promising to give me for this whole operation, sir. Sir, I say yes. Tell me, what parts do you really need? All that. Okay, sir. Give me some minute. Let me go and start work, sir.
You're welcome.
I'm coming, sir.
My brother, the corpse you deposited here is a stubborn one. And I say stubborn, I mean very, very stubborn. Is it your brother or your father? I don't think. Your brother or your father? Is my brother. Let me tell you, every now and then, that ghost keeps beating every other ghost in the town. I'm telling you, beating. Beating, as in, at times, he will chase them out of their room. And I can't take that. Okay? So please, I advise, bring more money so that we will relocate him to a private room, VVIP, where he will be the only corpse there.
Only?
Yes. Else, I will be forced to throw it away. Nobody should stress me. I'm not the one that killed you.
Okay, I've heard what you say. As I'm talking to you right now, and I'll inform the sons and the daughters abroad. So once they come back, they will do the needful immediately.
I cannot wait for them to come back. I don't know agenda below you and how they want it. What I'm saying is they should do the needful. Let them send money as soon as possible. Until you may go there. How that mean getting back one is their father, right? Yeah, it's their father. They should send money now so that I will get the money to a private room. Every night, those who are late, every other was with me. What happened? Is a walk with him. He keeps he beats every other cops in that room.
Sir, why did you have to bring it this way? You have packaged it well. If your guy, you do everything clean.
Sir, I packaged it very well. I tied it.
Oh, God. Inside here is 200,000.
200,000.
Etinampu no Dikeh. Akwa baby nsi akwa. My mayonnaise. By the time you graduate in this, you see the kind of money you'll be getting.
200,000 for me.
Etinampu no Dikeh. Please.
And I'm here washing dead body.
I must be running my way.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Hey! Sir, yes? When are you coming back again? This money you give to me is plenty.
Just this ego. Nato gato. Don't worry, I'll be back.
Sir, please, don't take too long. Eh? This money, thank you.
Small boy.
Our beloved brother, we know you're not a disturbing type. We are surprised. Go and search for the rest of the body that is missing. We have done our best.
We even went back to the mortuary in searching of it, but we found nothing. Instead of you to disturbing all the entire villagers and the community, go and bend for yourself. We are solidly behind you. Bam! Get a bonnet Melegrinia, Chobia, na weli pa, Chobia, Guineanuba. Mona Madada Maga. Pico. Can you be a hand in Andiana?
He say, Yamudia.
Manori or go.
Namona Madara.
Jesus! How did you manage to do that? How did you manage to disappear with me?
Okay, Dibem. Listen, as you can see, you are no longer safe around here. So I want you to move to the nearest park. Enter commercial. Don't chat any. Enter commercial, straight down to Benin. Stay with Auntie till further notice. Do you understand?
Brother, is this still you?
What's your problem now? It's me. Listen, forget about what happened. Go to the nearest motor park. Enter Benin bus. When you get there, stay with Auntie till further notice. Do you understand? Go.
Okay, brother, you know they collected my phone.
No problem. I will send you money. Get a new phone. You will come back, okay? But head down to Benin and stay there till further notice. Go.
Okay, brother, but what about you? I can't leave you alone.
Oh, don't worry about me. I can't leave go down. You understand? Don't worry about me. Okay, just go.
Okay, brother. I'll get to the house and then I'll collect my cream and my makeup box, including the other clothes you bought for me.
Women. Onye be na walk and na chu okay. Onye be na walk and na chu okay. We are talking about your life here. I'm trying to save you, and you're talking about makeup, wig, and all that. Is that necessary? Listen, Chinenye, I said go to the nearest park, board a Benin bus, and stay there till further notice. I will transfer 500,000 naira into your account now. When you get to Benin, buy new makeup, buy new wig, buy new phone. Okay. Move!
MORTUARY attendant. mortuary attendant, yeah, na him work. He knows the work well well. Mortuary attendant, yeah, na him work, yeah, na him job. Mortuary attendant, yeah, na him work. Mortuary attendant, we get his swag, yo, hey medicare, na him work, yeah, na him job, hey na job. Mortuary attendant, yeah, na him work. No more walk about, no more pocket lace. He don't find in destiny, Emenike. He dey communicate with spirit, yeah. Yeah, what a destiny, what a job, oh. Defending daily candina, so. But the bonye na look serious. Emenike libego, na him work, yeah, na him job, mortuary attendant, yeah, na him work. He don't see in destiny, mortuary attendant, yeah.
What are you doing here? How did you locate this place? Oh!
Now listen to me. Okalamado or Okalammo or whatever title name you give to yourself. The spirit you dealt with is the dead ones. Have you dealt with the living spirit before? The answer is no. I told you to return my package. Now this is the result. And this is just the beginning.
Ajansu, you know why I'm here. Where is the package?
One man squad. Calm down. I don't say normally. I don't suppose to tell you the story now. I don't suppose to give you all this line, but we have some little issues. Well, I don't know what happened to the package where we kept it, but everything is controlled. You know, say normally I did deliver. I don't know what this kind of thing. You know that. You know, my boys. Just calm down. I will settle you.
Daddy. Empa. Ajansu na koko ajambele o. Yes, boss.
Calm down.
Ajansu!
Calm down now.
Ajansu, I check my time before I come. Your data dey my palm. Normally, I know say you no dey enter, but this time, oya bari!
One man squad of 4 more. You don't say normally you no go enter. You say no. 15 bullet, 15 shots, you no go enter, you no go penetrate. Just calm down, let's sort things out. To Kaima can get system to lot things. I'm on Kabelo now.
Collect! I think you no go die. Now me the one. Backward! I think that you know they die.
What is wrong with you? Why are you bent on tarnishing my image? Are you the only ghost? Are you the only dead person? Why are you disturbing my life? You are dead, and dead men don't count. If you are that powerful, why did they kill you? Why did they kill you? Come out and face me. Can we walk in shame? Are you mad? Are you sick? What sort of nonsense is this? Why are you disturbing everybody? Why are you tormenting me? I took your manhood, and so do you need it? You are not more. You need it here. If you are that strong, why did you die? Listen. If you are not enough, come out. Come out and face me. Yes, come out. I swear my only chest. I will check your spirit. I will check your spirit. One more check now every day. Nonsense. Come out and face me if you are not enough.
Okalamadu, Okalamo, Ewa.
You are ready for the fight. You are fortified. No one can defeat you. You are ready for this fight. Iliramwebune Sini mandai bimancha Isini shigi karaka America
Okalamadu, Okalamo, Ewa, Ewa. Okalamadu, Okalamo, Ewa.
Don't start what you cannot finish. You a male motor. Okwimana namba chizu nenua. Emesia, I guarantee.